Guys, it's time. I've been hiding this for quite a while sometimes. So it is time to show you guys. I bought something pretty awesome, and honestly, I'm looking at it right now and it's gonna need a lot of work, but I like it. I like it a lot. Let me show you my new car. Okay, so the reason why I bought this car is because this is basically an antique. This is like a legend. You know, they don't have these cars no more, especially because of this metal frame steel, or because of this hard like steel. And then look at these, they don't make this no more. They don't have these glass headlights no more, which is pretty sick. And obviously you have that Mustang logo. That looks pretty good. I could stare at this all day, honestly, because like as you can see, it is pretty old and it has some like paint damages. There's like rust too, especially right here. The interior is also fucked, like badly fucked. Like this thing needs a lot of work, and I'm honestly interested in putting the time to fixing it. You know, like it just needs a couple of repairs, but it's legit. There's nothing wrong with it, and it's easy fixed too. And the reason why I got this car is because once this car is like finished and like fixed overall, this car looks hella nice. Like this car would look hella nice. I mean, it is gonna look nice when it's done. Hey, cheese. Say cheese. Like, I can see this car out on the street ripping through traffic, bruh. This is gonna look so cool. It's honestly worth it, and I'm actually kind of excited to put the work in. So, there's only one thing to do left. Get this car running.